Hi everyone, here we've got a POCO X3 Pro and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually I will show you two different ways to block a number. So firstly we will do it directly using our contact list, and the second option will require entering the dialer sections and settings actually. So let's enter the dialer and let's begin with blocking a contact from the contact list. So let's enter the contact and tap on the contact you'd like to block. Right now we have to tap on this 3 dots icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see here we've got block numbers option. So after tapping on it, your device will ask you if you really want to block this number, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. And you can also report it as a spam. I don't want to do that, so I will untick this option. And let's tap on block. As you can see here we've got new icon, so it means that this number is blocked, and as it was said, we will not receive any incoming calls or text messages. So obviously you can unblock it the same way, but just by tapping on this 3 dots icon and tapping on unblock numbers. But let me leave it like this because I would like to check if it actually appeared on our blacklist. So that was the option using our contact list, and now it doesn't really matter. In the second way to block a number, it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on this 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here we've got blocked numbers, so simply tap on it, and as you can see here we've got our blacklist, and this is the number we just blocked from our contact list. What's more, we've got the option unknown, so after tapping on the switcher in order to turn it on, your device will block calls from unidentified callers. What's more, we can add a number, just tap on it, and here we can add the number manually, so you do not have to save it on your contact list. Just tap on block if you are ready, after entering obviously the number you want to block, and as you can see it immediately appears on the blacklist. Of course you can unblock those numbers just by tapping on this X button right next to it and tapping on unblock. As you can see it immediately disappears from the blacklist, so it means that from now on you will be able to receive all incoming calls and text messages from them. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your POCO X3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.